Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to compare two popular video tools, InVideo and Canva Video. Both are great for making videos, but which one is better? I will tell you my thoughts so you can decide which one is best for you. And remember, check the description below for the latest link and updates on both tools. So first let's talk about InVideo. InVideo is mostly made for video editing and creating videos from templates. It has lots of ready-made templates, stock videos and a lot of effect and transitions. It also has cool features like text to speech, automatic voiceover and the ability to make long videos. It's really good if you want to make professional style videos like reviews, promos or YouTube videos quickly. Now what about Canva Video? It's perfect if you want to make short videos or simple videos with a lot of graphics, animation and text. Canva has a huge library of photos and icons and design elements that can add to your videos. But Canva video editing features are not as advanced as InVideo's. So for example, it has fewer video effects and not text to speech feature yet. Also, Canva videos tend to be shorter and more like social media posts or quick ads. So if you want to make quick social media videos with a focus of design, Canva is great. But if you want to make a longer video with more video effect and real editing power, then I think InVideo is better for you. Both have free versions and paid plans, so you can try both of them and see which one fits for you. In the end, it depends on what kind of video you want to make. So check the description for links to both of those tools and special offers if available. So thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more easy tips, and I will see you in the next video.